Welcome to Us Bike Pro. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Hero Splendor Plus, one of the most trusted and best-selling commuter bikes, now updated with new features and improved efficiency for modern riders. Simple yet timeless design, the 2026 Hero Splendor Plus continues its legacy with a clean and practical design. It features updated graphics, fresh color options, and a slightly refined body finish. The bike still carries its signature simple look, making it ideal for riders who prefer a no-nonsense, reliable commuter with a familiar style. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 model is a 97.2cc single-cylinder engine, known for its durability and smooth performance. The engine is now more refined, offering better throttle response and reduced vibrations. It's designed mainly for daily commuting, providing a smooth and hassle-free riding experience in city traffic. Fuel efficiency and mileage. One of the biggest strengths of the Splendor Plus is its outstanding fuel efficiency. The 2026 version continues to impress with excellent mileage, making it one of the most economical bikes in its segment. This makes it a perfect choice for students, office workers, and delivery riders. Comfort and ride quality. Comfort remains a key highlight of this bike. The upright seating position, well-cushioned seat, and lightweight frame make it easy to handle in daily use. The suspension setup is tuned for city roads, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough patches. Features and updates. The 2026 Hero Splendor Plus comes with useful modern features like an updated instrument cluster, improved braking system, and enhanced i3S technology for better fuel savings. These additions improve both convenience and efficiency without complicating the bike. Practicality and reliability. This bike is built for long-term use. With low maintenance costs, widely available spare parts, and a strong service network, the Splendor Plus remains one of the most practical motorcycles on the road. Conclusion. The 2026 Hero Splendor Plus continues to dominate the commuter segment with its unbeatable combination of reliability, fuel efficiency, and simplicity. It's not flashy, but it delivers exactly what everyday riders need. Don't forget to subscribe to Us Bike Pro for more latest bike reviews and updates.